What to do after a crash? Stop immediately. Never leave the scene of an accident. Call for medical assistance. Help anyone who is injured and call 911 if needed. Warn other drivers. Use hazard lights, flares, or cones to alert oncoming traffic. Notify law enforcement. Report the crash to police, especially if there are injuries or significant damage. For minor collisions, if there are no injuries and vehicles are drivable, move them to the shoulder or a safe location away from traffic, then return to the scene if necessary. Exchange information. Share your name, address, driver's license number, vehicle registration, and insurance details with all involved drivers. If you hit unattended property or a parked vehicle, you must leave your name, address, driver's license number, registration, and insurance information in a clearly visible note, or contact the property owner directly. The description below includes links to teen driver licensing requirements, information about our driving school in Las Vegas, and the Nevada DMV. If you like this video, please subscribe to receive notifications of new motor vehicle laws in Nevada.